Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to restart or reboot your iPhone. Let's begin. So, um, you know, it helps when you would need to restart or reboot your iPhone from time to time because, technology, there will always be cases wherein it's not working or, your apps would just, freeze and the site that you're watching is basically not working anymore. So in my case, like I do have one in my Safari that's not working. So I would want to turn off my phone. I would want to restart. So how you're gonna do that, guys, is you press simultaneously or you press together the power button that's located at the upper right corner of your phone. Okay, and at the same time, you would also need to press. You have two buttons at the left side of your phone, wherein it's plus or minus, or if you want a volume up or volume down. So just press simultaneously the power button and then the button that's for the lowering the volume. So you press that together, you would be able to see this one right here. And all you need to do is just actually swipe this, okay, for you to turn off or reboot your iPhone. So that's how easy it is. If for example, you need to restart, so all you need to do is just press those buttons simultaneously and then turn it on. So when you turn your phone on, all you need to do this time is that you need to press also the button simultaneously. This time it's the power button and then the volume up for you to turn on your iPhone. So that's how easy it is, okay? So if you want to learn more about iPhone, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.